Hi guys, it's Mackenzie with WTI. I am so excited to share with you my pearly whites. This HIsmile color correcting serum has kicked up my smile so many notches. It's unbelievable. If you want that brighter, whiter smile because your teeth just, I don't know, maybe you're a coffee lover or a wine drinker. Either way, this takes your clean teeth to a bright, white, brilliant smile. This dark violet serum, you only need 2 pumps, which is amazing because this thing is 30 ml. It is gigantic. But one of my favorite things I was concerned about, but then I found out that I absolutely love, is the taste. What was this purple serum gonna taste like? Well, let me tell you, it is fresh. It is not an overpowering minty taste, but it definitely feels fresh when you're done, like you've just brushed your teeth with your favorite toothpaste. There is no aftertaste, no chemical taste. That's my favorite part. I absolutely love. I know that myself and my husband are going to be obsessed. The difference is huge. So I know that no matter how many cups of coffee I had that day, I am going to be taken care of if I have to go out. I am so much more happy now, showing my smile and with teeth. I know you're going to love it too. It's amazing. 10 out of 10. And that's my point of view.